Skyview Academy. Today's story is Bear Snores On. Bears are hibernating right now, I think, because it's winter. They're sleeping. Let's read about Bear Snoring On. Bear Snores On. I love stories with great illustrators, don't you? In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but Bear snores on. Look at him sleeping all cozy in his cave. I wonder how many friends are going to interrupt his sleep. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat tiptoe, crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark, so he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. And the bear's still sleeping. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Do you have anyone in your house that snores? I have someone in my house that snores, and it's not me. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Do you think it's this kind of hare or another kind of hare? "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Oh, it's a rabbit. Did you remember that hare is another name for rabbit? Mouse sips wee slurps, hare blurps big blurps. But the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Okay, I'm starting to feel like there's going to be a big party while the bear snores on. What do you think? They nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. Yep. They're just enjoying all their little snacks. And the bear's just snoring away. A gopher and a mole tunnel through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren. And everybody clutters in the great bear's den. And the bear snores on, right? They tweet and they titter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through a party in his very own lair. It's storming, kind of like it is today. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear... Uh-oh. What's gonna happen? The pepper is going to get in the bear's nose. What's he going to do? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes. The whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. I hope the bear doesn't wake up hungry, because there's a lot of snacks in there for him. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. You've snuck in my lair and you've had all the fun, but me, I was sleeping and I've had none. He whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea. Phew! Mouse came up with a plan so that he wouldn't be snack for the bear. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. Uh-oh. Is he still supposed to be sleeping? But his friends snore on. Well, hope you have a good night's sleep. And remember, you matter.